Definitely, this is very, very important. Stop losses, which you're constantly monitoring, right? You've put the trade on, you have a strategy, and then from then on, it's really hard work. Your hard work actually starts then, that you're constantly looking at the trade, at what you expected, and are you still right? So you're always questioning yourself. With stops, usually it's going to be something like a sell stop is going to be at the just below the latest significant low point, support level, whatever, and your target is going to be your first target, but that's not set in stone either. If it's doing really, really well and the trade is really rushing away with you, well, just sit with it and then use a trailing stop and keep bringing it up as possible, so that you're doing that. But yeah, trading is constant monitoring, reviewing, rethinking, and revising all your chart levels and your action levels.
I mean, if you've identified something in the morning and you like it and it's not going to be one of your sort of personal trades, what are you doing throughout the day?
Leave my orders in. I'll put my take profit and my stop, leave them in with the broker, do something else, go and do the day job, do whatever I'm going to do. If either of my levels have been hit, I will be informed. There is no rush to find out. I can repent at leisure if it's all gone horribly wrong on me. So I don't do anything. Don't waste your time sitting in front of a screen looking and hoping that the thing will go away. It'll just make you feel quite ill, actually. So no, leave it alone. The market will do whatever the market's going to do, and your eyes are not going to edge it along at all. They're not going to influence the market whatsoever. So make sure your orders are in. Then, at the end of the day, when you have time, look at all your charts again, go over things, rethink, write down whether you should change them, and again in the morning, or personally, I leave all my orders in overnight all the time. I mean, I'm trading all the time, open positions, and those orders just go round the world. You know, they just go round and round until I change them. Obviously, in a bank, what I would do is then contact my Tokyo office and say, look, do this or do that. But normally, I change the orders before I clocked out of the dealing room. Before I clocked out, leave your orders. That's that. Somebody else will be. And if you trust your colleagues and you trust the people you're working with, that's it. There's nothing more for you to do.